Today we're going to review how to do section 4.5 on how to add custom font families. Now, one thing to note with our fonts. So our first font is going to be Little Bird. If they don't have Little Bird, we can do Return to Sender. Nostalgia is one. The third one would be Passing Notes. And if they don't have Passing Notes, we can use Cormic Sans. And then the last one will be Vintage Avalanche. And if we can't use that, we'll use Tropical Flamingo. So we're going to end up adding 4 different font families. So I have my P for paragraph. And with my selector, I'm going to go to my T for text. I'm going to click under Font Family. And at the bottom, I'm going to choose Manage Fonts. Next, at the top, I'm going to click Custom Font Stacks. So my first font in the stack is going to be Little Bird. And I'm going to click the left arrow. And then my next one is going to be Return to Sender. And then I'm going to click Done. Okay, so that's going to be a custom font stack. Next, I want to go ahead and add another one. So again, I can click my font family and manage fonts, custom font stack. On this one, I'm going to use Vintage Avalanche first and then Tropical Flamingo. So I'm going to click Vintage Avalanche first, and then I'm going to go to Tropical Flamingo. And then I'm going to click Done, and those fonts have been added. The last one I need to do is Passing Notes and Cormic Sans. Another way I can get to this same list is I can go to Tools, Manage Fonts, and then from here I can look at my custom stacks. I can see my other ones here, and now I just need to select those 2 fonts and add them over. So I added Cormic Sans first, and then I'm going to add Passing Notes second. So here are my original font and then a secondary font, and I can click Done. Again, remember we can go to Tools, Manage Fonts, and look at our custom stacks. If there's one you want to delete, you can select it and choose minus to delete the font as well. And then from here, we can just go and apply our different font families. So my H1, I'm going to click my font family, and I'm going to choose Little Bird, Return to Sender. Next, I'm going to click my H2 selector. I'm going to look at my font family, and I'm going to click Nostalgia. And then finally, I'm going to change our text for our P tags. Now with this one, remember it will change all of the text for every paragraph. And I'll do that one with Vintage Avalanche. So that's a real quick and easy way on how to add custom fonts in Ms. Roberts' classroom. And remember, these fonts are also saved on your computers. And if you like, I can let you borrow all of the fonts used. And finally, to remind you one other item. So we have different links. We have text that is an ordered link, and we also have text that is an unordered link. So remember, I could click the selector, and I can do OL and an LI. So this is an unordered list for each list item. And with this one, I want to choose the font family of my Cormic Sans and Passing Notes. Now I can see that over here on the left. But what if I want to format my bullets differently? In that case, I would add a new selector that would be UL for unordered list, and then an LI for a list item. And maybe on this one, I want to use the Gill Sans. Okay. So now you can see, remember, how you can format fonts within an ordered list for your list items, because depending on if it's in an ordered list or unordered list, you can adjust those fonts. Thanks for listening to another tutorial from Southern Lee High School.